Good morning guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on one of the new shape VW Tiguans, the AD1. So this car from factory has got the electric tailgate already installed, but you can't remotely open it from your key fob, and you can only open it normally like a boot. It can manually open itself and close itself when you do push the buttons, but to get this extra functionality you have to install a module. So from the success of the Audi SQ5 video that we did, we've had a few people get in touch about the Tiguan and being able to remotely activate the tailgate and close it. So I'm just going to quickly run through how it works in the car. All the original controls work exactly the same. It's just now we use a key fob to be able to remotely open it and close it. Because this is an accessory, it's a module that gets plugged in that basically intercepts the commands and then does some other cool stuff with it. It's not coding, it's not done with a computer, it physically has to have a new module installed, and as such the combinations that you push are a little bit different from factory, but in some ways are still the same. So all you do is using your key fob, sorry it's a bit dark today, I'm just trying to do it whilst we came between the rain. So car's currently locked like that. If you want to remotely open it, you just push and hold the button here. The boot opens up, nice and easy, and then just to close it, this is a little bit different to factory on other vehicles. So you push the unlock button twice. You have to do it in a set sequence like that, otherwise it won't pick up the commands. And then because you've closed it, it's latched, you then just have to do a quick blip of the lock and then the vehicle's locked itself back up. So just to repeat, push and hold the boot latch button here. It opens itself up just like it would do from factory, and then a quick double press of the unlock button. The tailgate comes back down again, it latches down, and then a quick lock, and that's it. So that's the electric tailgate. As I mentioned before, all of the original controls on board, so the interior tailgate buttons still work like they did before, and also the switch down by the driver now still controls it as well. So if you've got a Tiguan or a new shape one like this, the AD1, and you want the remote tailgate functionality, then please do get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. And as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. And thanks for watching.